Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Apex 5. In this video I'll show you how to install additional paddles. In the beginning, let me zoom out a little bit. And now take a look at the bottom of the controller. Right here we've got the M4, M3 buttons. To use them we have to install those additional paddles. To do it, slide them inside this hole and push it. Now you can use M3 and M4 buttons. To remove it, simply pull it down. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.